Hi, everyone. If you're an AI, artificial intelligence fan like I am, then you must have lots of different tools to do different things. For example, I have a grammar writing tool, I have a content writing, image generator, a code generator. But the problem is that all these tools are all over the place. And when I heard of Krater.ai, it was my perfect solution because it's the Swiss Army knife of AI tool. It has it all in one place, on one platform. In turn, this saves me a lot of time and a lot of money. So I'm on the main page of Krater.ai, and I just want to show you a quick glimpse of all the tools. So as you can see, it has copywriting, which helps boost your content and your impact. It has an image generator, which can help generate different images, and you could export it in different sizes, do different variation of the image. Also built in is an AI assistant. It's very useful. You could ask it any type of questions. You also have an AI plagiarism detection. This is great if you're writing a paper and you want to make sure you check on your paper to make sure there's no plagiarism. And this is also helpful to detect AI content. You also have text to voice, and a code creation is one of my favorite feature. I used to design websites, so I know how tedious it is to create codes on the fly. This really saves me a lot of time. There's also speech to text where you could choose your what type of speech, what if it's a male, female, if you want an accent. So there's so much to talk about, and let's dive right on into the dashboard. So once you are in the dashboard, it is very intuitive. On the left side, you have all the tools that you could use. And on the main part, you would see your plan. I have the 1,000 generation plan. I'll talk about pricing a little bit. Also have the quick access where it shows me the tools that I use and also the history in case if I want to regenerate. And I've played around with this since I love it so much. And let's dive right on into the copyright. So once you go into the copyright category, you're going to see all these nice templates here to use. And what's nice about it is also categorized according to what you need. If you are doing branding or writing an ad, you're writing Facebook or Google ad, this is a wonderful place to go. It could help you generate, and it could help you with SEO keywords. We all know that helps boost up your engagement and your content. Keywords are very important, so are captions. And if you're a website person, as I am too, this is also very helpful to write a blog post. Once again, you have keyword SEO, keyword helps you with title generator. You'll never go blank again. And if you are a social media manager, this is a nice place to write help with the TikTok description, your tweets, your Instagram caption, YouTube, which I use Instagram, I use all this. So very helpful for me to have this divided in different categories because I'm a web and a social media and a graphic person. So with publication, if you're writing that, you have grammar corrector, writing an article, you want to expand your content to, and you have an outline, and you also have composition. Here you could have write an email, quote generator, write an article, essay. You could even freestyle this. And others, you have content shortener. Sometimes you want to expand, but sometimes you also want to shorten your content. A lot of times people don't have time to read, and you just want a quick summary. And especially on mobile phone, people don't want a lot of text. So this could be very useful for that. You have a startup idea, you could click on this. You have test answers, company visions. Everything you need is all categorized in here. So I'm going to choose social media because I work with social media every day, posting my panda stuff. So I'm going to ask for a caption. So I'm going to ask, please, um, I like to wish my subscribers a happy holiday. And then you could use different tone of voice, casual or formal. So I'm going to use casual. And how many variation? I just want one. So I'm going to generate, and this is in real time, so you can see how quick it is. And this is really awesome. It also adds in my icon. Look how cute the Christmas little icons. Um, and it asks cozy season, and I could click on this. Once I click on this, I could actually bold things. I could format it, and if I do like it, I just hit copy, and it copies onto my clipboard, and I could put it into my social media post. Or if I didn't like this, I could regenerate this, and there we go. It has another generation of wishing someone a happy holiday or wishing my subscribers a happy holiday. Very easy. I could also go in and I could also chat with the AI, and I could ask it different questions. For example, I can ask, um, which day is Christmas in 2000, maybe 24? And then hit click on this button here. Then it says, Christmas 2024 falls on a Wednesday, helps me with planning. This is really great. Then I'm going to go to image generator. So if you're writing a blog post, you're going to need some image to enhance it. So I would probably say, I like an image of a panda eating bamboo in the snow. And then I want two images just to see. And then I'm going to choose the medium size. So I'm going to hit generate. And voila, I have two images here, and I have all these options here. I also can go into text to voice. And for text to voice, I can say, "Hi, I'm Francis. I love AI." And then I can choose an accent like Australian. I could do female, and I could just turn into voice. And then really quickly, right here, and I could also do more options. So I could download, and I could do different playback speed.
Hi, I am Francis. I am a huge fan of Krater.ai.
Content detector, and I'm going to post, simply go da-da, and then it might be very long, but I'm going to check content, and you can see it's working its magic. You see the orange line up here. Actually, it goes down here, 100% chance AI generated, and we all know that it is true. And the thing I could use is a sticky document, and this is where I want to store my thoughts, my generations, so it's a nice place to keep me organized. So let's dive into pricing. So on the website, there's looks like there's three plans, and they all appear to have the same amount of feature. The only difference is the amount of generations that you would like per month. So if you are just starting, you could choose the $9. That's 100 generations. I would recommend the upscale, which is meet in the middle, which is 1,000, nice and generous. And if you're a team, of course, choose the $3.99. And if you don't want to dip your foot into this right away, you could also choose like the free trial plan and see if you like it or not. And I guarantee you will. So I have good news on DuFu. There is a lifetime access to this program. If you're a member of DuFu, you get 25%. I believe it's 25% off, but the price is $96.75. To me, that's price of you and your partner going out to dinner and having all these tools for the life of it. 96 is not much. And if you want to not subscribe to it, you could just buy it for $129. I think it certainly beats paying a monthly fee. And there's so many tools that you could use, copywriting, grammar, image. It has everything that I need. It's very difficult to find a tool like this usually. But let me know what you think about this and what you're using it for. I'd love to hear from you. Just write a comment down below. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.